strawberry 2. And there's strawberry 3. And Zoey's one. Today we have to make a smoothie.
What kind of fruit are we going to use?
1 banana.
Anything else?
1 banana, 1 for strawberry, 1 for mango, 1 for milk. So first, I'll teach Mom how to do it.
You're going to teach Mama how to make a smoothie?
Yeah. Now put it in. Now it's all cut. We'll put it here. We put it in there. Next, strawberry. 2, 3.
3 strawberry.
Yeah, 3 strawberries. So next, the mangoes. 1, 2.
Okay, now what?
Mom, I'm good. Yes. And then pour it in there.
Both hands, okay? Good job, Zoey. Is that fun?
Yeah, now ready to blend. Mama, get blender. And put it in the blender. Now, put it in.
เล่นชื่อค่ะ Come on. Okay.
You got it.
Is it done?
Yeah,
Are you ready to drink it?
yeah. Now we have to get the cup.
The cup!
Yeah. Get for me, please. Now we get a cup. Hot, hot. Wow. Wow. Now we're done. Now we have to get the
What about straws?
straw.
Yeah. Do we need straws?
Not yet. First we have to get this.
The lid?
Yeah, the lid. Mom, did you find the straw yet?
No, the lid's on first.
Put the lid. This is for that. And this is mine. Then straw. First, this is that. There. Now it's mine. Yes, I do. Great job. Thanks.
Good job, Zoey.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.